Hello, my fellow strugglers. Today I'm gonna be busting some delusional myths about the biotech industry. And no, I'm not making this video because I think you're dumb. It's because I know you are. Scaring, yaar. Anyways, I am not operating on the assumption that you already don't know this stuff or that you haven't done your research, but because when I was younger, I did not know any of this and I wish somebody had told me. So this one is for all the younger me's out there in the crowd. Now I'm pretty sure कि जो लोग भी US आके काम करने का सपना देखते हैं, they have at least once dreamt about a 6-figure salary. है ना? शर्माओ मत यार, मैंने भी देखे थे. And I'm sure you all know कि US में जो टेक में लोग काम करते हैं, they make big fat 6-figure salaries right after graduation. And I knew it couldn't be me because coding के नाम पे मुझसे Hello World से ज्यादा कुछ कोड आज तक हुआ नहीं है. तो मैंने भी सोचा कि भाई कोई दूसरा जुगाड़ तो निकालना ही पड़ेगा. And I knew that I liked biology and that's how I discovered biotech. मुझे भी लगा था बायोटेक की पढ़ाई करके कि यार टेक के ग्रेजुएट्स को तो 100 के अंडरग्रेड के बाद मिलता है, तो मुझे तो मास्टर्स के बाद बायोटेक में, बिकॉज उसमें वर्ड टेक है, आराम से 100 के तो मिलेगा ही. बट गेस व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग. Anyways, I was saying कि biotech की salaries come nowhere close to tech की salaries. In fact, tech के undergraduates sometimes make more than biotech के PhD graduates, which is crazy, right? I don't mean to depress you. The salaries are not that bad if you don't compare them to tech. So don't. I think after a master's in biotech, it is realistic to expect a range between 70 to 95,000 USD annually. Though I've seen people settle for 50, 55, 65k because they're international students and they have no other options, and employers tend to exploit that. Personally, not met a single person who landed a 6-figure job in biotech right after graduation unless they have years of work experience before their masters, in which case they can apply to senior level roles. Or you could get a PhD and directly land in a senior level position. People have asked me, do we need a PhD to be successful in biotech? 2 years ago, I would have argued against it, but now I don't think it's a bad idea. So based on my observation, there are two types of roles in the biotech industry: entry level and mid to senior level roles. And for entry level roles, they're okay with hiring people with just a bachelor's degree, so they don't have to pay them that much. And for mid to senior level roles, they usually want people with a PhD. And because the job market sucks right now, masters and PhD grads are competing for the same roles with the same salaries, so they're obviously gonna pick the more qualified ones. Don't get demoralized, because I know for a fact that some places prefer to hire masters over a PhD even if the job is very difficult, because I've heard कि PhD वालों की ego बहुत बड़ी होती है and their ways of doing things are very rigid, so managers actually find it hard to deal with them and train them, whereas master students are more malleable. But again, all of this is just my opinion and my observation. Feel free to add to the information in the comments.